It's not like we can't talk, just that's what I'm doing. Okay. Just working on this kit. I am working on what is called Box Theater Country Notes. So it is one of the little tiny tins. These are very, very small. I have, let's see, I have the house done. Well, yeah, the house done. I need to put the roof on. I have a kitchen made. This is just really hard. Okay, here's the house. Just stand up here. So I put in curtains. I changed the curtains. This isn't working. There we go. Okay, you can see I cut the curtains in. Come on. Okay, don't autofocus. I cut the curtains in half, and then I put a little chain of gold beads around the top. So that's what I did there. And I am, like I said, working on furniture. So I have this made. Focus in now. So yeah, there's that. And I just finished a chair. And I am working on chair number 2. I was at Hobby Lobby today, and I picked this up. And this is a 3-pack. Well, I picked up a couple things, but this was a 3-pack, and each one has a different nozzle. So one is 0.7. So you know 3 different ones, and they were 0.7, 0.5, and 0.9 nozzle tips. So I've put glue in. It's actually working pretty good. I don't know what size this is actually. Let's see if it'll... Very, very small. So actually it's working really nice, and I just put glue in there. I also have this, but I'm not sure the tip is, and I don't want to sit there and just do stuff. So there is options. There are options, not is. So I thought that was a 3-pack. I think I like these. Here we go. So they come with different tips. There's another tip, and I don't know what size that is. Yeah, then you just fill them up and use whatever tips you need. And so far it's working pretty good. It's still just messy glue. Oh, I also got the, let's see if this will show up. I also got the another shelf of plates. And, wow, this is not, supposed to be a, sweetheart, I can't even talk today. A pan. It's supposed to be a pan and a tablecloth or something, but it kind of got distorted. But don't tell anybody. It'll make the rabbits feel bad. So, rabbits are very excited that I'm making this for them. The cool part is, and I didn't realize this before, is this is actually the holder. Like, why would they give me this? And it sits like this, so you can, see one of those duh moments. So yeah, you will get one of those. Don't throw them out. Otherwise you don't have a stand. So that is what I'm working on right now. I'm going to get another chair done, and then I'm going to work on a table. I usually build these, I don't go through the directions right all the way through, because some of it, it's not that it's wrong, it's just some things are easier to do after. You know, for example, trying to fit this in, and then, they want you to do that first. You still have to be able to put this in, and you still got to be able to fiddle with the wires. So if it's already glued in, am I even showing up? Come down here. So if you try to glue stuff in, and the way it is, if you want to be more fiddly with it, you have a better chance to. That's kind of how I've learned to do it. Otherwise, you could find yourself stuck. The only thing I do not like about these, is this even, I know it's recording, it's not, it's just trying, there we go. It's just hard to do this and be in the camera at the same time. The hard part about this is there's no way to, once you've got this all glued in, there isn't any way, and they have you glue this, put this in. Once you have this glued in, there's no way to go back in and fix any connections or anything like that. If you've got, because this goes in through here, and then there's another light that goes through here. But if those connections aren't secure enough, you're going to run into problems that Oh, hold on a second. Okay, here we go. Like with this one, if you try to, the lights don't work. The problem is, again, I pushed too hard. They need to fix this up. But see, the lights don't work, and I need to get, wait, they do, barely. See, where before they were super, super bright, and now you can barely get them to, and that's because the connection isn't right. And if you push too hard with the glue, you end up losing everything. That is the biggest, and you can't really go back and fix it. I mean, you can, but maybe I should just, oops, then you got to glue it better. So maybe I can just fix it. But anyway, be careful because they are really fragile. And I wasn't able to fix the connection, and that's what I need to do. Anyway, this one is, oh, in a happy corner. So there's that one. So I'm not going to run anything in together till last. And then hopefully I can make everything work. All right. So I have a kitchen part. I am going to work on a chair. Let me move all this. Okay, put that in there. Where did the other char? The hardest part is keeping this all together. All right. See, and of course I had all the chair pieces just sitting here until I got up and moved around. All right. Because I need another one of those. The other hard part is just keeping track of pieces. And, you think you're doing really good until you realize you aren't. Okay, so maybe I'm not working on another chair. All right. Okay, well then I'm going to work on the table. Okay, table is this, B25 and C13, okay. Okay, this is the table. All right, now I need the little tiny piece. See, I'm losing my mind. Here we go. Put that over here. So I'm going to see how well this all works. Let's see. They want you to do C13. Okay. Go to C13. Yeah, okay. It is this. I don't like that's going to fit a table. All right. It does work. It's really hard. Okay. Go back to my directions here. All right. Yeah, see, then you can just get a nice little, it's still stringy, but it's not as bad. All right. Okay. It's funny, this is just basically the back of an earring. I make this table. I am still not good with tweezers, but working there. I will never be a medical doctor. All right. Well, let's get the tablecloth. Which is this template right here. Once this gets going, it goes by pretty fast. It's just getting it to go. So they do give you paper templates with this kit, for the most part. grab my fabric scissors. You can use paper scissors to cut fabric and back and forth, but they're built a little bit differently, so that they can go through different types of fabric, where paper just, paper goes through paper. But, a pair of scissors, fabric scissors, will cut it clear, nicer. Okay. See if I can get it up here. Yeah, it's still, you still have to kind of take the glue off. There we go. Is it? It's, okay. I may need I may need super glue to glue that in. But to get this to work around the sides, it should make it look like a tablecloth. Just go through here, go around, and then you're just gonna pinch it together like this, and then hold it. And just give it a okay. Yeah, this is still stringy, but it's okay. It's not like it's okay. All right, and you have a tablecloth. I may trim it a little bit. I mean, because it's so small, you really don't want to mess with it. Otherwise, the fabric starts to kind of fray. If it was a bigger table, you could, make it look a little more folded. All right. So for that, let's see. I need a C5, which is one of these. I get to try to put a flower vase together. All right. The construction on this is actually really easy. My other one was really hard, probably because it's just the one building. So it doesn't take very long to build the building. It's really easy. I have the base put together but not glued. So that's why that's not all in there, because I want to be able to get make sure the wiring works better before I get it all stuck in there. All right, got the vase, I need the flower part. Oh, here we go. Okay, so they want, okay. The other thing I try to do is just kind of clean up as I go. Easier said than done, but I try. Okay. Okay, there's that. And then it wants, okay. Oh, a green one, okay. These are pretty easy, just pick something up. All right. Is it? It's still stringy. This is where you wish you had like 6 hands. All right. Here we go. Let me. Okay. So there. Okay. So that goes on the table. Okay, we'll put that on the table right there. Okay, then what else does it want? See. Okay, we want the plate. Okay. Okay, the plate is right here. This is D11. Which plate do they want? Okay, this one. So yeah, these are little tiny plates. Just carefully go around. Just take your time unless you're not real worried about it. Okay. Actually, the tweezers from Diamond Art Club are really nice. Okay, they want me to have a plate, and then they want some kind of food on there. What's C14? What is C14? Oh, I bet you it's one of these. Here we go. These little things down here. All right. So they want a, looks like a red one and a green one. All right. Come on, let's get a green one out. Okay. Too bad they don't give you little forks. That would be nice. Okay. That glue is still tricky. Okay. Let's grab the vase. Trying to do better about keeping it up here. That way you can kind of get, it just takes, say, still takes time to get used to working with tweezers and little tiny things. Okay. Oh, I lost the bottom. All right. Just gonna let that sit. Okay. All right. Let's see. I'm at 20 minutes. I'm just gonna label this as the table, and then I'll just start over. All right. Take care. Bye.